Hey, Wagwan people. Yo, listen to this. Ukku say, Puss is Satan bodyguard. Don't kill me. This is big.
Me back in a minute and I explain and I tell him what I want. I tell him that I want a full force arrestment. I want them to lock you the fuck up. Yeah, that's what I told the police, and I give them a so them got your blood clot address and come blood clot, lick off your blood clot and take you and lock up your blood clot. See your blood clot date of birth there. See it there. Your blood clot date of birth, you're born 070, you're born 0807 1972. See your blood clot date of birth there. See there, stinking woman. See your date of birth there. Stinking one. You stink. Remember, I have everything for your blood clot. Stinking woman. Want them lock up your blood clot. If you not lock up your, I have to make social service take with them blood clot pick the off for you. Watch me and you. Want them lock up your blood clot. When them lock up you, I feel better. Just think I joke me and make with you. Wait till Monday morning. As Monday morning 8 o'clock comes to me, ring down blood clot, the nearest blood clot landmark, which party there. I wish social and at the social service I'm supposed to ring. I'm supposed to ring I ring a social worker. Watch me and you. I'm find if I have the social worker number. I see if I have it on my phone.
Thank you for calling. Please continue to hold for the next available agent.
At least me I call upon you to don't worry, I might call them for your out of hours, make them come at your blood clot door. Fuck with me. Fuck me. Fuck with me, I'ma call them out of hours for your blood clot. So fuck me.
Thank you for calling. Please continue to
Myself
hold
me
for
get
the
them
next
out of
available
hours
agent.
pan a Saturday night. Wait there. Monday morning I do it. Line up the blood clot social worker. I'm have an next blood clot social worker number. See there? I have whole heap of social worker on blood clot nasty pussy hole. I work with the government. You never know. You never blood clot no. Stinking dinky.
Welcome to the O2 messaging service. The person you are calling is unable to take your call.
Outer
Please leave a
hours
message after the
social
tone.
worker.
To re-record your message, key hash at any time.
Fearful knock off. Watch me your pussy hole Monday. I don't tell the police what my blood clot want. You can call whoever you want to call him me. I don't give a fuck who you want to call him me, my dear. I don't give a fuck who you want to call him me. But just know, say. But just know, say. But just know, say. Myself, I can call out of our social service. Yeah. Me gonna show you. Me gonna deal with Tanya blood clot do you. Me show you something I like you. And me show you some more. But though me not look no followers. I'm not look none of your friend them on the internet. Cause I don't know none of your friend them. None of your followers them. Cause if me ever see one of your followers them stink like shit. But just want to prove it to your followers them. You're a pussy. You are a pussy. So I'm gonna make social service run up in your fucking house. Wait till tomorrow. Wait till Monday. Wait till Monday. Wait till Monday I call social service on you. I don't talk to the police today. So I don't tell the police what I want. I don't speak to the police and they call me. Yeah, but you class my mother. You can't class my blood clot mother. My mother pussy good. You can't class my mother stinking woman. Go class all the pussy. All the have no pussy. All the pussy homeless. The man over South London a piss pan blood clot Adi. You can't class my blood clot great mother. Any man who fuck my mother wants my mother. You can't class my blood clot great mother. My mother never blood clot leave me at Jamaica and left me. And then your friend a talk about oh my mother hates me. Oh my mother for blood clot hate me. Oh my mother for blood clot me. And then you talk about you know what yeah. She just done to she never used to talk to her mother, you know. Her mother hate her. My mother supposed to blood clot hate me, but me love my blood clot mother. And if my mother dead tomorrow, and me I go blood clot bury her. What is it? My mother supposed to hate me. She hate me because my mouth to blood clot because me and her have the same blood. We have the same blood clot. But me not come on social media and telling me and my mother blood clot problem. Anything on the blood clot, no. Anything on the know, wanna know. You can never know my blood clot, me and my mother relationship. My love my mother and that's the blood clot end of it. And go suck your mother. I say Monday morning, I can't wait for the social worker wake up 8 o'clock when I ring them phone and start screaming at them blood clot ears. Ring them the blood clot social worker phone and start screaming at your blood clot ears like I'm screaming at the blood clot police ears today. I'm screaming at the police ears. I say I'm screaming at the social worker ears. And that I say I'm scream. I'm pop up. I say I'm screaming at the social worker blood clot ears. Them pitney they need for go for blood clot that them blood clot need for you talk about other blood clot pitney. Me they have no blood clot pitney or two pitney my have go suck your blood clot mother. Go and suck your mother. Go suck your big stinking mother. Me say me go do worse what Tanya blood clot do no. Remember me not afraid you know. All the police are gonna do. Police can't come on my house and lock me up because I don't sell drugs and I don't have drugs and I don't prostitute. I don't have drugs and I don't sell drugs and police know some record clean like a Jesus. Me run some swipe in my name in their system. The police have to honor to me and them have to listen to me carefully because me is a blood clot British citizen. Me not depend on blood clot 2-year visa, 1.5 visa, 5-year visa. I have my blood clot red book. I have my blood clot indefinite. So them have to listen to me blood clot properly. Me say Monday morning, me I go deal with the social worker gingerly. Watch me on your Monday morning. Monday morning, say me I go run up on the social worker, run up on you, make the social worker run up at 33. Me I go make the social worker run up on your blood clot doorstep 33. 33, me I go make the social worker run up on right to the blood clot police station. Right up there so the social worker come in your yard. Right up there so. At 33. But Oh, you class my blood clot mother. You can't class my mother. You can't class my mother. I want belching in your blood clot face. But you want to class my mom? Go class your father with fucking in your mouth. Your father fucking in your mouth. Your father fucking in your mouth. Why you so miserable? You can't class my good mother. My mother grew me good. My mother grew me good. But my mouth just too bad. My mom is not like me. My mom is about quieter than me. Me more vulgar than my mother. Me is different from my mother. My mom is more quieter than me. That's the difference, okay? I say Monday morning, me go call the social worker gingerly. And when me call it, me not gonna say unknown. Me not gonna say unknown. Me gonna give them my blood clot name. And when me give them my blood clot name, me gonna turn on my live like when me have blood clot with. So when me turn on my live Monday morning, on ready and set up and record it and send them for come blood clot come for me. Cause social service can't come for blood clot me. My big son is 16-year-old and Kurt now put him blood clot stamp on social media. Yeah, Kurt my last son now go on blood clot social media and him not hungry a blood clot. So me not give over fuck where you want to. I don't give a fuck who you want call or what you want call. Cause police can't come on my blood clot door. Police can't lock me up for nothing. Police can't do nothing to me. I'm not afraid of blood clot police. I'm not afraid of police. I'm not afraid of police. I'm afraid of police. I have no immigration problem. I have no red book problem. I have none of that of the above. So I'm not afraid of blood clot police. All they can tell me to do is stop doing it. I'm tell them, say, come on, do it. Them have to have them reason why them come on my blood clot premises for not my fucking door. They have to give me reason. They have to give me reason. What the reason? What the reason why you come to my door and knock my door? Tell me now. And me blood clot pay for it. Not you pay for it, police. Me pay for this. So me I want to see when me call the blood clot police and the social worker, me want to see what I gonna do after. I want to see what I gonna do after, cause me not have no drugs, me not sell drugs, and me not sell pussy. So I want to see what I gonna do after. Alright? Right, the police know my name. Wanna have my name, just send the police my name, and the police can just looking at the system. My record clean like Jesus Mary. Yeah, Jesus Mary, like Jesus Mary. When before the police come to me, the police have to come to me gingerly, and they have to make sure when they come to me, they have to have them head on them body before them knock my bumper clock door. Yeah, before them knock my door, they have to make sure. Because the last time them did that, the same police with Tanya begged me and bad to me when them give me my phone and say, I'm sorry. The police begged me outside the police station. The undercover man begged me when he gave me the phone. He's like, is this you? Because another man they take the phone. And he's like, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. He didn't find nothing in the phone. He begged me. And guess what? I could have sued them. So when I come and I open a plot good. Because members say me I call social service for your blood clot. And when I call social service for your Monday morning, my mother never fucking have me. Remember me tell you that. Me I still write you so and call social service for your blood clot. That me tell the police. And I don't tell the police, put your upon the blood clot address. If anything happened to me, yeah, outside upon the blood clot road, you responsibility for it. And him say, okay. And him put it upon the system today. Remember me tell you that. And him document it upon the system. And him say, I'm going to call me back. And him tell me what for do to you. And him don't tell me what for do today with you. So, Trim don't tell me what I'm going to do. I'm going to play the game and call the local authority for your blood clot. Because I don't tell the police to put your name down on the system. Put your name down on the system. Yeah. You love talk about you going to lock up dog, puss and cat. You love trouble people and you can't back it. You love trouble people and you can't back your action. For you got trouble Adi, what the man them a piss by Adi. And tough. Tough your tongue, Christian and a fucking a park. Cause the woman ugly. Satan bodyguard. Cause she ugly. This Satan blood clot bodyguard. This ugly bird. This blood clot Satan bodyguard. This blood clot Satan bodyguard. You can't class my blood clot good mother who fuck and get me. You bright here? You fucking bright? You're fucking rude. You're fucking bright. But that's why the police don't tell me what a blood clot do with you.
Hey guys, leave me a comment, share, like, and subscribe. I'm out.